Hi everyone. Analysis of algorithm. So algorithm is a set of steps which describe solution of the logic for a given problem. The number of steps should be finite and each step should be well defined. Here problem means count the number of views on YouTube. Find the shortest path from source to destinations on Google Map. If you want to solve this type of the problem, then you have to follow some set of steps for creating algorithm or making a algorithm. But the question is why we need algorithm. Analysis of algorithm as a computer science students or software engineers assumes if you are working as a design analyst to write multiple algorithm like algorithm 1, algorithm 2, algorithm 3 for a given problem. Later one efficient algorithm is picked from multiple algorithm. How one efficient algorithm is picked? Therefore, the analysis of algorithm is come into the pictures. So here analysis means time and space. These are the algebraic functions which is measured how your algorithm is efficient than others. So this analysis of algorithm is related to the algorithm, not a hardware. Therefore, this analysis of algorithm is called prior analysis of algorithm. It is implemented in design phase in software development lifecycle. I hope you have the basic knowledge about what is meant by the software development life cycles. Once efficient algorithm is picked, generally algorithm is a generic. It is implemented in any programming languages. Therefore, this efficient algorithm is written in any high level language like C, and later this high level language is converted into mid level language through compiler and assembler, and this mid level language is submitted to the microprocessor through operating system. Then microprocessor take the input and produce the output based on the machine level language. But the question is how much time taken your program for its executions in particular microprocessor. This microprocessor may be a Intel or Pentium or ARM or Snapdragon, anything. So how much time taken by particular microprocessor for your program execution? Therefore, analysis of algorithm here also come into the picture. Here analysis means time complexity and space complexity. This time complexity is related to your microprocessor. If you are using Intel, then it is dependent on the Intel microprocessor. And space complexity means number of gates are involved to construct the particular microprocessors. This analysis of algorithm is related to the hardware. Therefore, this analysis of algorithm is called posterior analysis of algorithm. It is implemented testing phase in software development life cycles. And one more thing, Boolean algebra is play important role in posterior analysis, and general algebraic functions play important role in prior analysis.